Welcome, in front of me is ACER Nitro 5, and in this video I will show you how to enable Windows backup on this laptop. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Then in Home menu, wait until it loads. Then go to the Cloud Storage. Select PC Backup, then click Continue, then select Yes Sync, and if required, log into your Microsoft account. Click Done. Then, if to back up your credentials, you have to verify your Microsoft account. To do that, click Go to Settings. Then select Verify. Then to verify, you're gonna have to receive an email or an SMS with a code that you're gonna have to enter in the following window into this empty field. Click Verify, and then to set up folder syncing, click Setup Syncing right here. Then select the folders that you want to sync and click. To select the folders, you have to hit the switch, toggle the switches next to the folders that you want to sync and click Save Changes. And then OneDrive will begin to back up your files. If you go back to Accounts, then to Windows Backup, you will see that OneDrive is syncing your folders, and the app lists and preferences are also backed up. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.